Hello Forevъr! I'm Svetlana Uolš, Director of Global Regulatory Compliances. The regulatory team is an important part of Forevъr family, and I would like to share with you what regulatory does and why it is important to you as an FBO. Regulatory ensures that products meet applicable global regulations, evaluates impact of regulatory changes, and works with global teams on the implementation. All of these requirements help the company to continue REG's vision to operate compliantly within the Forevъr countries. There is a belief that regulatory is a type of police within a company, meaning they advise the company what they absolutely can and cannot do. This is not the case at Forevъr. Regulatory works very closely with product development, manufacturing, quality, operations, and marketing to research and suggest workable solutions for challenges or changes within the world of global regulations. The regulatory team is the bridge between the company and local governing authorities in each country. For example, government offices can randomly request information on any product. Regulatory collects all documents in response. This means all product documentation must be up to date and ready to go. Behind the scenes, our team of 21 people juggles diversity between all countries' regulations to ensure you receive safe, compliant, and effective products. Understanding regulatory compliances make it easier to appreciate why a product made in a certain way. Is all you know, Forevъr Products is present in over 160 countries. We are committed to the high-quality standards in ensuring our products comply with regulations in all countries. The global regulations platform is constantly changing. The regulatory team monitors these changes closely and evaluates if the changes are applicable to our products. And if they are, we work with product development team to revise our product formulas. It is always our goal to maintain in product performance and effectiveness and to keep it as close as possible to what you are used to. Sometimes this is challenging, given the regulations mandating the formula changes. For example, in 2021, the European Union banned a few cosmetic fragrance allergens, and these regulations impacted some of our products. As a result, regulatory worked with product development to reformulate the products affected by this change and to advise how to keep them as close as possible to original. The regulatory team also works very closely with the quality team to ensure the right testing is performed and meets each country's standards. And if a country requires a different testing method, our quality team manages those tests at both manufacturing sites. As our valued FBOs and customers, we know that product certifications are important to you and your customers and are a big selling point which helps you promote and use our products. These certifications are often found on our labels, such as LO Science Council, Kosher, and Halal. We also oversee certified claims like vegan and vegetarian. However, some claims like gluten-free vary because there are no global standardized requirements to make these statements. For example, in some countries are required to say it doesn't contain gluten, while in others we must say free of gluten or gluten-free. All certifications are carefully reviewed and evaluated by regulatory. We strive to provide as much information as possible on the product labels, while also meeting local regulatory requirements. There are guidelines for trademark certifications, logos, and even benefit statements. And we are diligent in providing you benefit statement which protects you, your customer, and the company. We work very hard to find positive statements which allow you to share our products and retain existing customers. Our goal is to help you to build a successful business and talk about our products in a fun, attractive, and a positive way based on your local regulations. Regulatory works closely with product development team, as well as Aloe Vera of America, Forevъr Nutraceutical, Forevъr Direct, and the country offices. Each formula and ingredients are reviewed carefully according to European Union and other country-specific regulatory standards to ensure safety and efficacy of the product. Not only do we evaluate if each ingredient is compliant and present in appropriate levels, but also that they are in the formula at efficacious levels so that you feel confident you are getting the very best. Product registration is an important part of new product launches, and in some countries, this registration can take up to 2 years. There are also countries who require product to be registered over a certain period of time, like 3, 5, or 10 years, in order to keep our products in the market. When products are shipped to countries, sometimes the local customs have additional questions and ask for more documents in order to release the products into the country. It is the regulatory team which gathers what is required, finds the answers, and provides documents. And if you have a product question related to an ingredient and it seems like it takes a while to get a response, this could be due to many factors, such as a country-specific formula or regulations around what we can advise on our response. We strive to respond with the most accurate and a complete answer, and this takes some time because we have hundreds of thousands of documents related to products and ingredients. And if your answer is found in one of those documents, we do our very best to collect and evaluate the information to ensure we send an accurate answer. The regulatory team is here to give you absolute confidence in compliance, safety, and efficacy of Forevър products, and we are here to make you successful. I am proud to lead this team of individuals who care about your health and well-being, and I hope to meet you someday. For now, thank you for allowing me to share the effort that the regulatory makes on your behalf.